So now once you're ready, just come onto your knees and placing your elbows really firm and nice. Interlock your fingers and take a few deep breaths. Curl back your toes, and as you exhale, just slowly lift your knees and hips away from the mat. And putting your head down, breathe normally. Inhale and exhale. Make sure your breath is really normal. So do this posture repetitively to gain the benefits. Once you're ready, slowly exhale, putting your knees down, relaxing your toes, and relax in child's pose.
Lie flat on your back. Inhale and slowly bring your knees close to your chest. With your arms stretched on the inside of the legs, hold your big toes using a toe lock and gently open up your hips and widen your legs to deepen the stretch. Please make sure your head is resting on the floor. Stack each ankle directly over the knee so that the shins are perpendicular to the floor. Press your tailbone, sacrum down to the floor while you press your heels up, pulling back with your arms. The shoulders, whole area of your back and spine should be pressed flat on the floor. Lengthen your spine as you bring your thighs into your torso and towards the floor. Press the knees down to feel the stretch in the hip, inner groin and thigh. Breathe normally and hold the pose for about 30 seconds to a minute. Exhale and release your arms and your legs. Lie on the floor for a few seconds before you move on to the next asana.
To get into the pose, step out with the right foot to 90 degrees, taking at least 4 feet distance apart, and your left foot approximately 45 degrees, slightly inside. Inhale, bend inside your right hip joint, hold your right big toe with your right hand and extending your left arm straight up towards the sky. Gaze up softly at your left hand, hold this pose for 3 to 6 slow and deep breaths. To come out, inhale and press your back heel strongly into the floor. Repeat to the left for the same length and time. Reach out to the right big toe as much as you can with each inhale and exhale. The key is to make your pelvis neutral and be comfortable wherever you are in the asana.
Let's begin by comfortably lying down on a back, just like this, and bend your knees. And slowly you're going to lift both your legs up, so take your time, be relaxed, stay calm,
And as you inhale, bend your knees and slowly bring your legs all the way up. So from here, inhale, lift both your legs up and roll your elbows inwards. So your shoulders are rolled back and your elbows are inside. And now bring your hips straight. And your legs are straight, gaze at your toes. And now in Viparita Karni, if you observe, there is a gap between my chest and my chin. So hold here for a couple of deep breaths. The more you hold, it is going to strengthen your shoulders. Your shoulder blades are going to be strong and creates a lot of strength in your upper body. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 to release. Slowly bend your knees and slowly release the posture, just rolling yourself safely down and relax your legs. And remain in Shavasana for quite some time to relax your entire body.